the series. Well, coming along with the record lathe, the lathe will be up and running hopefully in about 2 weeks or so. And so the next recording, as far as update on the lathe, may actually be on a disc. So it's going to be really interesting to start recording on a disc and see what kind of results I can get. I've been recording on cylinders now for years, and branching off into discs is an adventure, to be sure. Actually a bit scary, but I've got the lathe. I'll have it completely running, hopefully in 2 weeks once the recording head comes back from being rewound and the drive rollers come back from being rebuilt. Then it's just a matter of hooking it all together and doing a test recording. So the first recording I'm going to do is probably going to be something very similar to what I'm doing right now, recording a audio file on my cell phone and then using that file to transfer it to a disc, just as I do to the cylinders. So it's going to be a real adventure, and hopefully I'm going to document as much of this as possible, and that way somebody else who's going to be experimenting with disc recording will have some place to go for some real basic information. So it's going to be a real challenge to get everything up and running in the next few weeks. I have a lot to learn, and I'm hoping that a lot of what I've learned about recording on cylinders will be applicable to recording on discs. The process is exactly the same. It is identical for recording on a disc or a cylinder. It's just the format is different. The disc is lateral cut rather than being vertical cut. But as far as the overall dynamics of actually making the recording is virtually the same. This is all electronic rather than all mechanical as it is in an Edison phonograph. But as far as transferring an MP3 audio file to either a disc or a cylinder should be very, very similar. So in any case, I just wanted to do a quick recording on the cylinder, of course. And as I said, the next update you hear will very likely be on a disc, which is really exciting. I'm really looking forward to making my first disc recording. So I just wanted to do a quick update. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. TheVictrola Guy at gmail.com.